If your Inogen Rove 6 displays a Change Sieve Beds icon, there's no need to worry. Your concentrator is still operating normally. This message is simply a reminder that the sieve beds are approaching the end of their service life and need to be replaced within 30 days. To order a replacement sieve column, contact our service department at 1-866-696-9558. We'll make sure your replacements arrive in plenty of time so there's no interruption to your oxygen therapy. Replacing the sieve column is quick and easy, no tools required. First, power off your concentrator and remove the battery. Allow the unit to sit undisturbed for approximately 15 minutes. This gives any internal pressure time to dissipate, making the sieve columns easier to remove. The sieve column has a built-in handle. To remove the column, push the rotating latch away from the sieve column to release it, then lift the handle and pull the column straight out of the concentrator. Your replacement column will arrive with protective caps covering the connector ports. Leave these caps in place until you're ready to install the new column to prevent dirt or moisture from contaminating them. When ready, remove and discard all 4 protective caps. To install the new column, align the 2 tabs on the bottom of the column with the connection ports inside the concentrator. Gently slide the column into place until it sits flush with the bottom of the unit and the rotating latch clicks securely into place. The column should slide in easily, never force it. Once the new column is installed, reinsert the battery. Do not power on the concentrator just yet. First, you'll need to reset the sieve column life alert. To reset the alert, connect the concentrator to the AC power supply. With the unit plugged in, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. After approximately 5 seconds, the sieve bed icon will appear on the display. Release the plus and minus buttons and then press the alarm button, which is marked with the bell symbol. A check mark should appear over the sieve bed icon, confirming that the reset was successful. Your concentrator is now ready to power on and use as normal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our service team is here and happy to help. Call us at 1-866-696-9558.